Hi, it's Michael Gaffney with the Ultimate Online Flower Classes. Samples of the work we do in class. This is English, French, American, classic topiary, bridal, Napa Valley bridal centerpieces, and bridal bouquets. Also mixed vase arrangements, the #1 order in America. So on my online classes, you'll be getting instructions on how to do all 30 designs. I'll be adding more designs in the future. You get all my books, QVC products, everything to turn you into a great flower designer. This is simple. You know I teach a very unusual methods, science, math, and architecture. I was trained by the best. I'm going to train you to be the best. So all my students that have taken these classes online have been showing me their work. It's spectacular. I can't believe it. So apparently the videos work really well. In order to get your flowers, you're going to get access to wholesalers around the country that you can buy from. If you don't live near a wholesaler, you can use our FedEx account to get flowers shipped to you. Normal box of flowers is $185 roughly to send overnight, and overnight is the only way to do it. Not 4 or 5 days coming from foreign countries. It's American farms shipping their flowers overnight. You're going to get a deal on FedEx, 70-80% off. So you're going to get all your fresh flowers cut and designed, pieces like this. This is my Dutch Flemish piece, featured in one of the videos. And new videos added all the time. And before you know it, you'll be designing like me or better. So I'm Michael Gaffney. Join us for the ultimate online floral class at flowerschool101.com. And as I always say, keep blooming.